Greetings and welcome to day 4 of the lab cleanout. Sorry for the mess here and the poor lighting. I'm just kind of working with what I've got left down here. Now, I was recently looking for a laptop for Ben at the Oddity Archive. In fact, I had sent him one several months ago and then promptly ghosted him by not checking my messages, which is entirely my fault and I feel bad. I guess the laptop I sent him doesn't really work right. It's got some issues, but I found this Inspiron 7500. I had it in my working pile, but it's been sitting for quite some time and I have absolutely no clue. So let's go ahead and take a quick peek at this laptop and see if it'll work for him. First of all, we're working with a CD-ROM drive, 3.5-inch floppy. We've got Ethernet on one side here, and we've got PCMCIA and audio on the other side. And then on the back, there's VGA, S-Video, looks like maybe a printer port there. And then here's your USB, PS2, and the dock connector. Most importantly, this has VGA out, which is really what Ben needs it for, apparently. So I'm excited to check this out. Let's go ahead and fire this up and see what happens. Not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Oh. I guess it helps to plug it in first. Alright. Oh! It worked that time. Alright. Oh, let's see if we can get into the BIOS. Enter setup. Let's see what kind of specs we're working with here. There's our 3.5-inch floppy. System devices. Power. Management code. Customized. Doesn't really have the system details in here. Looks like we're working with 128 megs of RAM. And some other things, but it doesn't say the CPU or anything. It's just got speed step. A late 90s, maybe early 2000s build. Let's see if she boots. Okay. That's a good sign. All right, Windows 98. Hard drive sounds healthy. Maestro.com ESS. Okay, sweet. It's already got it's got an ESS sound chip, which isn't bad, and it's unique. Awesome. I've still got all the drivers loaded up on here. Let's see what we can find. Oh, my glove tore. That's all right. Oh yeah, this will be perfect. Let me just test this drive real quick. This also sounds healthy, but we're just gonna double check it real fast. We've got Plus for Windows 95, which you're technically not supposed to install over Windows 98, but I'm just checking to make sure that the CD-ROM actually works. Oh baby, that sounds promising. There we go, autorun.exe. All right, fantastic. Well, here you go, Ben. Here's your new laptop. I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up and ship it out now. Looks like we got lucky this time. This machine looks like overall it's in pretty good shape. I'm still gonna run through and make sure all the ports work and everything like that. But I'm pretty happy. Really, the only damage to this machine is the hinges, but that's really common with machines of this age, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Anyway, that's going to be all for now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.